Genre, expository text. Essential question. How does weather affect us? Weather All Around by Deborah November. Chapter 1. What's the weather? Have you ever noticed that people love to talk about the weather? Sometimes it is a hot day. Sometimes it is cold. Sometimes it is a nice day. Sometimes it is not so nice. Sometimes the weather can be very bad or harsh. Caption. In some places, it is hot most of the time. Seasons. Some places in the United States have 4 seasons. The weather changes when the season does. It is cold in the winter. It is cool and rainy in the spring. The summer is usually hot and sunny. The fall is crisp and clear. Caption. Many places in the United States have 4 seasons. Chapter 2. Hurricanes in the East. The Northeast has 4 seasons. So does much of the Southeast. Hurricanes can happen there. A hurricane is a very dangerous storm. It brings a lot of rain. Very strong winds blow. Seasons and hurricanes. Hurricanes form over the Atlantic Ocean. They happen mostly in the summer and fall. The ocean is warmer then. Storms become stronger as they blow across this warm water. Caption. The middle of the storm is called an eye. We know a hurricane is coming long before the storm hits. Hurricanes can destroy homes, but this warning gives people time to prepare. You can protect your house from the storm. You can prevent damage to it. Sidebar. What to do in a weather emergency. 1. Stay calm. 2. Seek shelter. 3. Wait for an alert that the storm is over before doing normal activities. Caption. People board up windows and doors before a hurricane. Chapter 3. Great Plains Snow. The Great Plains is a very big place. You can tell that from its name. It runs up the middle of North America. Most of the Great Plains is very flat and open. Areas that are so flat can sometimes have harsh weather. Map labels. The Great Plains. Canada, USA, Mexico. Caption. The Great Plains can be very windy. Blizzards. Winter in the Great Plains brings snowstorms. Big ones are called blizzards. Snowstorms happen when there is very cold air in the clouds. Then clouds collect cold water. The air near the ground is warm. When warm air moves up into the clouds, it mixes with the cold water. Snow then falls out of the cold clouds. Caption. A blizzard lasts a long time. As with hurricanes, we usually know that a snowstorm is coming. What should you do to prepare for this event? Suppose there is a lot of snow. You might have to stay home. It is dangerous to drive on slippery roads. There might just be a snow day. On snow days, children stay home from school. Caption. You can use a ruler to measure snowfall. Emergency planning. You should have an emergency kit ready in case of bad weather. Water and food that does not have to be cooked should be in your kit. A radio and batteries are also good things to have. An emergency kit will prevent the need to leave during the storm. Caption: Your kit should have warm clothes and blankets in case the power goes out. Chapter 4: Midwest Tornado Watch. The Midwest has 4 seasons too. Often it gets colder there than in the Northeast. It is very windy there too. Tornadoes can happen. Caption: Tornadoes move very fast. What is a tornado? A tornado is a big, dangerous storm. It turns around in circles. Tornadoes happen most often in the spring. It is a good idea to have a weather radio in your house. It can warn you that a bad storm is on the way. If a tornado is coming, you should go into the basement. You can also go into a bathroom without windows. Caption: Stay in a safe place until the weather radio tells you the tornado is gone. Chapter 5: Southwest Drought. The southwestern part of the United States is usually hot. It is also very dry. The seasons do not change much in the Southwest. A lot of the land here is desert. A desert is a very hot and dry place. It is hard for plants to stay alive. Caption: The desert floor is so dry that it is cracked. Droughts. It does not rain much in the Southwest. Sometimes there is no rain for a long time. When this happens, there can be a drought. People in the Southwest are careful with their water. They try not to use too much of it. They are glad when it finally rains. Caption: Animals that live in the desert need very little water. All kinds of weather can be beautiful. Every season has something special about it. No matter where you live, enjoy the weather all around you. Caption: The weather in Hawaii is usually sunny. Colors in the sky. Do you ever wake up very early in the morning? You might see the sun rise. The sunrise is filled with beautiful colors. Sometimes the sky looks orange through the clouds. If it is not a rainy day, the sky turns bright blue after the sun rises. On a rainy day, the sky looks gray. Sometimes after it rains, you might see a rainbow. Can you name the colors of the rainbow? After the sun goes down again, the sky is dark blue or black. Can you see any bright white stars high in the sky?